the EVUS test today. Can you introduce for yourself?
Yes, my name is Jin. Actually, I am impressive.
So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza, right?
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell me what is the first step to make your favorite food?
First is the oven.
Is it open? Okay, very good. And can you tell me where is your school bag made?
My school bag made in Vietnam.
And your shoes are made in Italy, aren't they?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Very good. Let's move on to finding the differences between two pictures here. Can you see the picture A and picture B? Okay, go ahead.
Yes. In the picture A, there is museum, but in picture B, there is coffee.
Good.
In the picture A, there is a road, but in picture B, there is a river. In the picture A, there are two girls, but
There are two girls.
two girls,
Girls.
they are standing.
They're standing.
But in picture B, they are sitting.
They're sitting there.
In the picture A, there is a picture. We go inside the school, but in this picture B, we go outside.
It goes.
We go outside school.
Good. College. Very good. Let's move on to part 2, which is telling a story here. Okay, can you see the story? The story is called A Better Day. Just look at the picture first. Daisy and Joey and their mom have bought a cake for Joey's birthday, but the cake is falling on the floor. Joey is very unhappy and she is crying. Now you tell a story. Go ahead and tell your story, please.
In the picture 2, my mom is eating the over.
Good.
Daisy
She
holding the flower.
the flower.
They holding the flower. In the picture 3, Joey whisking the winter. Joey is watching the food and mom chopping pineapple.
Pineapple. Good.
In the picture 4, Joey putting the ingredient into the cupboard.
It's a cupboard.
Mom washing the dishes and Joey washing the table. The cake on the
It's in the
okay.
Good.
Then in the picture 5, there are 5 people. They are singing happy birthday song and Joey is very happy.
Okay, that's enough. Good. Very fantastic story. Let's move on to part 3, which is independent talk. Okay, topic. Let's talk about your favorite food and how to make it.
Yes. My favorite food is pizza. To make pizza, there are 5 steps to make it. First, heat the oven.
Okay.
Next, make a dough.
So,
Then put the tomato sauce on the dough. After that, put the olive, pineapple, seafood, tomato and cheese on the dough. Finally, put pizza onto the oven and waiting for 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. That's the end of speaking test today, so let's say goodbye to our audience. Goodbye.
Goodbye.